going to open the smallest present first, and this is to me from Liz and Dave. Now, I've never seen so many presents. This is from a gift shop. Oh, sterling silver earrings. Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Liz and Dave. In case you ever see this film. Okay.
All right, let's see. I guess Corey's turn.
Oh no, you're gonna open one.
Julie, you better open one. Because you got more than I have.
Only if you let me film you open one.
All right.
I need a knife.
I don't remember what that is.
I need a knife.
Yes, it might take a knife.
Yeah. I need a knife.
And a mission.
I'll go get some scissors. Scissors.
There it is. I said a knife.
We're getting it. There's the scissors.
Yeah. Alright, just the one I wanted. Girl Talk. The game.
Hold
I'm
it
gonna
up.
pick one
Corey.
out.
Don't you want to go next? Okay,
Go.
Dennis, do you have a preference of what I open?
No.
Well, I'm going to film you first.
Huh?
Opening one. Yeah.
Well, you got the big one. Why don't you go for the big one?
What big one?
The one you don't know.
Okay, why don't you, while you're picking that out, let's let Amy
Oh,
open one.
Mine.
Okay. We're getting low on film here, so.
Oh, a box.
We're in the scissors now.
Oh, wow, Lowry's candy. Do you want to open the game now? That's the
Oh,
bottom
maybe
of it,
she
Corey.
doesn't want to open it.
You always, I wanted Girl Talk.
That's one of the things you
That's
asked
good to get something you've been wanting.
It's black.
Oh, sweatshirt and
Oh, they're shorts. Well, if I find which way's up, I'll tell you. Oh, yeah.
and in black.
Yeah. Shorts.
Great. Okay, Julie, you got your present?
No, I want to film you first.
And Jackie. Should we save the wrapping paper? Okay. Ah, J.C. Penney. Let's see, it's a nice box.
It's a tie.
It's a box. I got a box, Corey.
Yes.
Look at this. Ooh, gloves.
Oh, nice.
But it's got an envelope on there.
Oh, nicer.
Oh, boy. Look at these gloves.
Nice for drying.
3M. Great. Thermal insulation. That'll help. I need gloves.
Oh, it's money.
Yeah. A gift for you.
How much?
Huh?
How much?
It's money.
How much?
What difference does it make
How
how much it
much?
is?
Money.
All right.
How much is it?
$50.
Whoa, look at
That's
that.
Alexander Hamilton. No, that's Ulysses. Ulysses Grant.
Okay.
He's a favorite president of mine. Thank you.
Okay. This
All
is
right.
a present from Grandma to the family. Okay? Okay, this is to all of us, and I'm sure.
Well, look at all these presents here.
Double wrap. Where'd the scissors go? Huh? Where'd the scissors go?
Look at the picture of these presents while you're finding the scissors.
She found them. And it'll take a while for her to get in here.
knows what lurks in those presents.
Everything's in shoe boxes, I said.
It's a pair of shoes.
Oh.
Oh, it's another package. I get to unwrap another one.
Oh boy, a package.
Oh, look.
Who's it for?
All of you,
Family, yeah.
from me.
Oh, that's pretty, Mom.
Thank you.
Packaging.
Corey, what are you hoping for this Christmas?
Oh, boy. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Roger Rabbit.
And...
Batman.
The Batman video.
Oh, right.
You made
Come
a
on,
mistake, Grandma. I wanted the Batman video, but it can be for all of us.
That's for all of
That's
us.
right,
for
it's
the
for all of
family
you
court.
to enjoy.
I love
I haven't seen
Batman.
that
I
one.
wanted a Batman.
I've never seen it, and I've never seen Roger Rabbit, so I'll get to see it on here.
Great.
All right, thank you, Grandma.
You're
Grandma.
welcome.
That means this is
swim
the
in
two
these.
family videos.
Yeah. Don't lose any of your pieces. We'll play this afternoon if you want.
No,
thanks, Grandma.
we need girls.
You're welcome.
We need-
I'm a girl.
Yeah, you'll need a phone book.
Yeah, see, it dares you to call up people.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, because Rona was playing it with the Halamito girls, and she kept calling me up and asking me